Ship is a rocking again today. And here we go again with the rain. So where are we all going?
We're going to the bridge.
We're going on a bridge that don't go over. Well, it does kind of go over water.
It does go over
Let's
Seems like every cruise now it rains. Why? Why? It's the Blue Iguana Cantina time. Get a pole. Alright, so you know where we're going. Bucks.
We're gonna go down and watch the Bucks game by the Queen Mary Lounge, and a bunch of our people's already down there, and we're gonna try to make sure they turn it on the TV. If not,
Just kidding. They said they were going to do it.
we'll tell them what'll happen. Let's go Bucks!
So we're going to the Rotterdam bar.
Bucks.
Here we go. Niners! On, babe.
We're not going. We made it here very quickly. We're at dinner on our last night, and it's kind of sad.
Not our last night. Last night of this cruise.
Okay.
I'm superstitious, sorry.
All right, so we're at dinner, and so we're gonna have a good time.
Yep. All right, we'll bring you the menu right about now. My first appetizer, 2 minestrone soups. Terry got nothing. Terry finally got hers, fried green tomatoes. And I got my pini. Terry got for dinner French fries, grilled cheese with mayonnaise. And I got a jerk pork chop. Yummy, yummy.
All your bags are packed, you're ready to go. We're standing here in front of you. We hate to see you go and say goodbye. Bye-yo. We are done our best to serve you this food. We are dance for you and make you smile. Already we're so lonesome. We could cry.
We got the watermelon for dessert. I got the bubbaloo cake.
I know, and that's what you said. Billy and Rins.
The birthday of this lovely lady, Miss Lauren, yeah? Turning how much? 21? 25, yeah, today. I'll put this, let me light this up.
Come on, guys, come
Guys,
on.
on the count of 3. Join me in singing happy birthday to Miss Lauren, yeah? Lauren, give me let me light this up. Sorry, guys. Count of 3.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you.
Louder, guys, come on.
Happy birthday, dear Lauren. Happy birthday to you.
Really? Out of breath already? Babe, where are we going?
We're going to the Love and Mary show, and hopefully some of our friends will get up there. It'll be fun.
Yep, we'll see.
All right, let's go.
See you there.
Yes, come on up. Give him a nice round of applause.
Nice, red shirt.
There we go. so you have a seat here, and sir, y'all gonna have a seat right there for me. There. You cannot speak to each other until the end of this. In fact, you know what? I would like you to stand. I would like you to stand. And sir, I would like you to stand across here. Yes. Lovely. Thank you. This is what we're going to do. Can I now have you now say hello to your new spouses? What word, phrase, or sound will that parrot come out continuously repeating? Something that parrot is going to in the bedroom all the time, all the time. Now, Nathan, you said that you rated it a 8. You guys have been married 53 years. I'm going to ask you. Yes, give us a nice round of applause for that. And in front of your hearts, you're going to stand there in front of your hearts, definitely. And I want you to, yes, hold on to that person that you love, yes, and you are all going to give that person an absolutely beautiful kiss at this point in time.
Right, the last night, on the last day of our cruise.
Our cruise, we just got out of the newlywed game and it was hilarious. Our friends were up there and we were laughing so hard at them.
As you saw, that's a portion of it.
So now we need to talk about cheers. Thank you so much. Cheers.
All right. Anyway, so cheers. We drink these because
They're so good. I've been waiting all day to have one.
they're so good.
Oh, they're good.
All
Cheers.
right. Next up, Utopia of the Seas in about 8 days, 9 days. All right, we'll bring it to you. Biggest ship right now. Cheers.
We've had a blast.
Yep. Cheers.
Cheers.